Hey everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video we are going to be taking a look at the Nest Learning Thermostat, along with some of the great things it can do, like helping your customers save energy and money. Let's start by taking a look at how the Nest Learning Thermostat works and the ways in which it can help you save. Firstly, this is a learning thermostat. It can learn your routine and learn how your home heats up, and from this learning it can automatically build you a schedule. This feature is called auto schedule, and it doesn't just learn when you're in the house. Using activity sensors and your phone's location, Nest Learning Thermostats can use Home Away Assist to turn down the temperature automatically when you leave, so that way you're not heating an empty home. And then we have the green leaf, and this will appear whenever you are at an energy saving temperature, helping to point you in the right direction. Now, for an electrician, Nest Learning Thermostats are straightforward to install, but we do recommend a Nest Pro for customers as they do require wiring into a boiler. Once installed, your Nest Thermostat will start learning. Just turn it up when you're cold and down when you're warm. No fiddly setup required. After about a week, your thermostat will have learned your temperature preferences and it would have settled on a schedule for you, but it never stops learning. And remember, all Nest thermostats are Boiler Plus compliant and compatible with the majority of boilers. If you want to check up on a specific boiler type, just head over to the online compatibility checker. One of the great things about Nest Learning Thermostat is that you can control it in a way that suits you. Along with turning the outer ring, you can control it using your phone and the Google Home app or the Nest app. It can even connect with compatible smart home devices like Nest speakers and displays, which then means you can use your voice to control your thermostat by speaking to Google Assistant. Ask it things like, "Hey Google, set the temperature to 21 degrees. Nest thermostats are also packed with helpful features that help you stay in control. You can lock your thermostat with a pin lock, for example, to avoid having your kids make surprise temperature adjustments. And you'll be kept up to date with a monthly Nest Home report, a personalized email that summarizes your energy use, safety events, and history. And don't forget, you can change the settings and schedule from anywhere on your phone, tablet, or laptop using the Nest or Google app. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and click that bell for notifications on all our latest content. See ya.